Hi everyone. So in this video we'll solve this problem reverse node in K group. We're given a linked list and we need to reverse the nodes of a linked list K at a time. For example, in this case I'm given a linked list and I need to reverse it in the group of size 2. 1 2 is reversed to 2 1 and 4 3 reverse to 3 4 is reversed to 4 3 and then next 5. Right. So if the number of elements are less than K, I don't need to do anything. So there are various techniques to solve it. The technique I'll use in this video is based on recursion. So what I do is, okay, I'll reverse this part and I say, okay, reverse yourself. Just tell me the answer recursively. And I also keep track of, let's say, the number of elements remaining in the linked list. So if the number of remaining elements are less than k, I don't have to do anything. So let's quickly jump to the answer. So let's do array checking, right? So if not head, if I have nothing, I will return none. I said okay, I didn't have anything. Otherwise, I will ask for my answer from helper. Okay, uh, reverse helper, which will take head k and let's say total nodes also. I can somehow give him the total node because he has to know how many elements are remaining there, right? So let's do reverse helper is my head, it takes k and my remaining nodes, right? So if my remaining nodes is less than k, I just need to return the head because I am at this point, right? The remaining nodes are less than k, I just return it right away. Let's keep self here, right? Otherwise, what I need to do is I need to reverse the k node. So now let's reverse it. I guess you are very familiar with the recursion now, reverse nodes, how to reverse nodes also. So let's do that. uh, I just have to have none head for, I need to reverse k nodes, right? So let's iterate k times. I will take next element, which will be my cur dot next, and my cur dot next will be previous node, and my previous and current will become current and next element. Once I've done reversing these linked lists, right? This part has been done. What I need to do is the head will become here now, right? So all I have to say is okay, my head dot next should be self dot reverse helper from what, now this position, because I reversed this part, my cur node will be here. So I need to say okay, do give me the answer from this node. So I say okay, from cur node k elements, and my total number of remaining elements will be total number of remaining nodes minus k because I have consumed k elements. Once I'm done with this, I have pointed my heads next to this, I got the answer for this much. All I need to do is now return this element. But how do I get this element? This was previous node, this was current node, so I can just return the previous node. So let's return the previous nodes, right? So I think overall setup is done. What we need is this total node. So let's get this total node. What I can do is self dot length of linked list of head will give me the total node. So def, let's take this length function, while I'll keep the count, while head is true I will keep incrementing the count and my head will point to the next node. I will return my count, right? So let's see guys if it works. It's taking too much time. Okay, let's try to submit it. Awesome, it works. So I hope guys you like this video. This problem was solved using recursion. The problem with this solution is it uses a lot of stack space. So in next video we will see how to solve this problem without using recursion by explicitly iterating through the nodes which we want to iterate, and we don't have to use stack space for that. And there are various other techniques where we don't have to compute the length of linked list first. We can generally there are various tricks, you can just keep iterating and reversing the node of size k, and in the end you just check if you have to re-reverse the linked list again, because if you have traversed and reversed the linked list which was size of length less than k. So I hope guys the explanation was clear, and I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks.